Hello, my question to you is minus 2 times 2 minus 2 divided by 2. 2 minus 2 will be equal to 0 divided by 2. So minus 2 times 0 is equal to 0 or divided by 2, which will be equal to 0. Hence, 0 will be our answer. But remember that it is wrong. To solve this question correctly, first of all, we have to multiply according to D-mass rule, or PEMDAS rule, or both mass rule. So multiplication will be solved first. So minus 2 times 2 will be performed first. So we will get answer minus 4 minus 2 divided by 2. Here, minus 4 minus 2 will be equal to minus 6. So minus 6 divided by 2, if we simplify it, we will get minus 3. Hence, minus 3 will be our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.